I'm telling back. Oh, we're about to enter. Her voices.
I'm freed from all my sins and wretched consequences. Third, what gratitude I owe to God for such redemption.
I'm introducing you.
What's up?
To camera.
I'm Michael Steinman, dude.
Yeah.
The coolest.
He's like the coolest person I know. And he's Jewish, which makes it better. Yeah. See that? Yeah. He's Kiara Green. Kiara, can you smile for the camera? The wonderful Kiara Green, our lead. Fantastic. As always. Going to state and duo. Second year in a row.
I know. First, we got qualified, but it didn't work out.
Yeah, well,
Well,
that's crap. Okay, that's crap. Crap. I'm just kind of logging. I'm like vlogging, I guess, with the video vlog. Backstage life of an actress, starving artist, minister, vagabond, bohemian, whatever you want to call me. It's all good. Do it again. I just wanted you to have to suffer through that like I did. Alright, that's a minute. I'm cutting it. We danced backstage, that's right. That dance party. Dance. Boo.